Over the past few weeks, we've been having conversations with photographers who are ready for more clarity, more confidence.
And it's really reminded us of how powerful it is to step away from the noise and really concentrate on your work, on your creativity, and think about where you want your business to go.
That's why we created the Maternity Academy.
It's a 5-day in-person education experience in Spain, and it's designed exclusively for maternity photographers.
We'll be covering business foundations, client experience,
Sales,
creative lighting, marketing, branding, style shoots, you name
everything to rejuvenate your business.
business.
More than that, it's about giving you the space to kind of reset and implement what you're learning.
You'll be going home with hitting the ground running.
Yeah.
This is a very hands-on experience and there's only 20 spaces available.
So if you've been craving growth, focus and connection, this one is definitely for you.
We'll see you in Spain.